I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program 2017 Acura MDX key fob, full guide. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the ignition off. Gather the working key and the new fob and keep both within reach. Make sure the vehicle battery is healthy and confirm doors unlock manually. I will walk you step by step through entry mode, ignition cycles, and confirmation presses so you can program the fob reliably without dealer assistance. Before programming, make sure the interior is calm and distractions are minimized. Replace weak batteries in both fobs so signals transmit correctly during the process. Verify the vehicle battery is charged enough to avoid resets mid-sequence. Keep all remote buttons untouched until prompted, and close all doors to prevent unintended locking. I will guide you through each step so interruptions don't ruin the programming attempt and you get a working spare. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great after a repair session. I've included a link and some deals down in the description so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by inserting the working key and performing the ignition cycle sequence to trigger programming mode. When the car acknowledges, remove the working key and press the lock button on the new fob within the allowed window. Wait for confirmation chimes or LED flash before proceeding to add more fobs. After programming, test each button from a short distance and walk around the vehicle to confirm consistent range and function across doors and trunk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.